Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert columns in Excel. You can insert multiple columns. There is a formulas or easy or quick steps to how to insert columns in Excel. So this video will be very short, guys. So before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. This is my demo account. Okay, this is my demo data. I want to insert the or add the column in the Excel. So guys, if you want to add new column, add in Excel, just click on the any column that you want to add the before, after that just click on right click and click on insert. The new column will be come here. This is how you can manage the columns in Excel. Okay, if you want insert multiple columns at once, just I'm going to undo and select any columns that we want, that before or after you want to insert the columns. If I and select the B, so just hold the left button of your mouse and just scroll as many you want. If I want four columns at what time, I will select four columns. Okay, and just right click and click on insert. That four columns will be, you can see, will be insert here. Okay, after the B data will be shipped in next to, and the new columns will be appear here. Okay, so that is how, guys, you can manage new columns in the Excel. Or this is the inserting new column, the how in order to inserting new columns in the Excel. That is this is the process. There is another way you can use. This is a very shortcut key. Just click column that you want to insert before, and now you have to hold your control button of your keyboard, and now you have to press plus. The new column will become, and if you want more, you can click plus 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 plus, the more column will become. Okay, so that is how, guys. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for